Lalela, i-happiness ifana nse ne-six pack. Angeke uyi-outsource, ngeke uthathe yomunye umuntu ngisho usuthanda. Ngisho kungathiwa u-happy kangakanani umngani wakho, ngeke akwazi ukukupha i-happiness yakhe. Ngisho kungathiwa umathandana wakho u-happy kangakanani, ngeke akwazi ukukuhlephelela i-happiness yakhe. You must learn to create your own happiness. Njenge-six pack, ngisho kungathiwa umuntu wakho uya ejimini for 26 hours every day, 9 days a week, angeke akwazi ukukuhlephelela i-six pack yakhe eyakhe ijinyelwe uyena. So nawe learn to find your own happiness. Ungalindi ukuthi abanye abantu ibona abazokulethela i-happiness yakho. Find your own happiness. Yabona futhi i-happiness fake, ungabi happy phambi kwabantu when you haven't worked on the issues that really affect you. Ufana nomuntu onezingqalezi ze-BBL, wenze ngathi u-happy ngazo phambi kwabantu, alokhu edishazela la phambi kwethu, kodwa mese yedwa esekhululile uyawabona amasikazi, uyabona lapha asika khona udokotela, and akabi happy mese ebona lokho. So work on your happiness, find things that make you happy. Ungacabanga ukuthi khona umuntu la emhlabeni o-responsible for your happiness. You are responsible for your own happiness. Njalo uma ungabe ucabanga happiness, ucabanga i-six pack, ayi-outsource-wa, akekho yokuphe yakhe ngisho usuthanda.